Jungle. I'm Sharon. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video and stick around. Click the subscribe button and let's grow together. I have an Azure haul today. I just came home from work. My head is everywhere. And today we have Bible studies, and the kids have dance today also. So I am going to try to sneak a little nap in there and get them dinner. Yeah, I'm trying to do a lot, right? I'm trying to do a lot. But I'm going to try to, because by the time we get back here, it's going to be like 8:30, 9 o'clock. So it's just time for them to jump in the shower and put on their pajamas and go to bed. It's because they have school tomorrow. They were out of school yesterday for election day. So they had school today. So we have an Azure haul, another Azure haul. This is a small Azure haul. 20-pound box of Gala apples. Gala apples, the reason I purchased this is because Gala apples are one of the apples that are good for storage. These are storage apples. Storage apples are apples that has the thick skin and that stores very well. And I will be storing them in the refrigerator for fresh eating. So right now apples are on sale at Azure Standard, and I got these for $26.80. This is a 20-pound box. So I did get a 20-pound box of Bartlett pears, and this box of pears was $14 and let me see, $14.58 for 20 pounds. And you can see they're no good. I'll bring you in closer. They're no good. So they're going to the compost. They're going to be composted. So I did call Azure, and they are going to credit my account with the tax and everything. Give us like $15 and change. But you can also get a refund if you would like to. But I know I'm going to be purchasing again from them, so I just had it credit to my Azure account. They were very nice, very quick, easy. No worries, no stressing, no nothing. She noted, and that was the end of it. And boom, I got credit. Love it. Love the stress-free. In this world, you need stress-free things, right? And this is, I purchased some orange also. I purchased 4 pounds of orange. These are organic orange. So it's 2 of these, 2 of those. And I got 8 ounce, it's the 8-ounce bag of organic turmeric. So I got 2 of these. So the orange are the orange was $21.10 for these 2. Turmeric, $19.96. It's $9.98 for each. And I got elderberry. The elderberry was wrapped in this. The elderberry liquid extract. It was wrapped in this plastic. And this was $17.98. So, like I said, it was a small order. Very small order. So what I plan to do with these, with the turmeric and the elderberry and the orange and my fresh ginger that I harvest, my homegrown harvest of ginger. So what I plan to do with the orange and the turmeric and the elderberry, I'm going to start making some wellness shots for those things, with those items. That's why I purchased it. That's why this purchase is not so big, because it was apples for the kids to eat, because they already went through the apples that I got from the last Azure haul, and then the ones that were no good, like you peel the skin and everything else like that. I'm making apple jelly with those. So with this, they're gonna have some nice fresh apples. And what I usually do, let me tell you what I did before. I would purchase apples from the supermarket, and if I purchase one bag, I would purchase 2 bags at a time. And I would take out apples and put it into the basket. And once they finish with that, I'll go take some more out the refrigerator and put it in the basket. And that's how I kept apples in the house. So that's what I plan to do with these now. I mean, it's 20 pounds. Let's see how far they can go, right? Amen. So that's about it. That's about it. It's a small, very small haul. So I have baked ziti, one of our freezer meals, in the oven. And I'm hearing stuff dropping on the ground. I should have put like a cookie sheet under it, but I will once I get off of here. So that's it. If you're interested in purchasing from Azure, I will link my code in the description box. You can click on that and start purchasing your orders. You go in Azure and you'll see they'll have different, you'll enter your zip code and they have different drop sites where you can pick up your Azure haul from. Okay, well, thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you for watching the video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're returning, thank you for sticking around and watching my channel grow. Have a blessed day. I thought I heard something. Y'all know I get distracted. Y'all know I get distracted like, like that fast. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye-bye.